In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export CMYK here in Canva. Now, this is really simple to do. Once you have your design created like this, and you want to download a CMYK, we first want to come up to here to where it says Share. If we click on here, we can come down to Download. Then we want to click where it says PNG. Come all the way down to PDF print. This is the only place where we have that option. Then we get to choose from RGB, which is best for digital use, and we also get to choose from CMYK, which, as you probably know, is best for professional printing. Now, this is only a Canva Pro feature, as we can see just here, because it does have a crown next to it. Now, if you want to try out a Canva Pro 30-day free trial, there will be a link down in the description. Now, if we click on here, we can then go to click on download, and then bam, we now have our design exported as a CMYK. Now, for more bite-sized Canva tutorials just like this, click right here and watch this playlist.